What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Line Time Coming. And today, whew, pause for the call. Wait a minute, look at my crepe myrtle here. Can we get a look at this? Look at this, it's starting to bloom. Oh, that smells real good. Look at those blooms. Oh man, I gotta trim it up a little bit. And once that thing goes, it's gonna go. It's gonna be all nice and white. I'm getting it ready for the fall time. I'm getting it ready for Halloween. This is the time where I'm going to start prepping for Halloween. I gotta get my yard ready, and I'm starting right now. 3 months ahead. This crepe myrtle was up there where my flower bin is at. It was right there in the middle. I took it out because it wasn't growing, because it was too wet, it was too soggy, it was a whole bunch of crap going on in there. And then they had a tree here. They had this crappy tree right there, which you can see is a bird nest in it. They had that right here. I said, got rid of it, brought the crepe myrtle down, bang, trimmed it up, cut it up, and look at it starting to bloom. Look at that. Perfect. Today, first off, besides getting it a nice cut here, I think I'm gonna go vertical today on the cut too. Not vertical. I'm gonna talk about. I think I'm gonna slant the stripes a little bit. See how that works in the St. Augustine. I'm not too confident in it though, but we'll give it a ride. But also, what I'm going. Look at this. Look at that. Infestation. Also, what I'm going to be doing is finally working on my flower beds here. Oh gosh, flower beds. Working on the side of my yard. Look at this. I know some of you guys saw it already. I was a little embarrassed to show you guys, but here it is. Nothing's crispy going on up there. Nothing extra crispy at all. Weeds here. I took the weasel chopper and I just kind of started here. But clearly you can see how crappy it is. I got to do it again to make it smooth. I'm gonna eject it down here. I'm gonna shoot it on up that way, real nice and smooth. But this is what it is. This is what it looks like right now. It looks like, as Connor Ward would say, this is crap. Sorry if that was a bad impersonation of you, Connor. This is complete crap. Complete crap. There it is. This is complete crap. So, we are going to have to work on this over the next few days or so. Clean all this up, get it all nice and crispy, get some bags down and everything, get some of the black mulch down that I put in a flower bed, and then we'll get the party rolling. Then everything will be looking real good, real smooth, real handsome. That's really what I want. I really want it to look real good, real smooth, real handsome. Because when I talk fast, I kind of sound like Alejandro a little bit, but people tell me I need to slow down. So, in the midst of my Connor and Alan impersonations, which probably didn't go over too well, we'll see. Looks like we got some rain. That ain't stopped me from getting itchy. What we call right here, we call this wet crisp. We still gotta get it. Give it about 5 minutes. It'll stop, and the sun will be right back outside. You finished the edge. On to the fun stuff. First and foremost, I gotta give a shout out to my man Ty, because he hooked your boy up with some of these Olsen bandsaw t-shirts, you know, from the Pennsylvania Lawn Care Nut Group. So let me show y'all what we got. Check that out. Bang, bang, bang. Olsen, if I remember correctly, one of the biggest bandsaw companies here in the country, if not the biggest bandsaw company here in the country. Also, check it out. Got the American flag right there. I love it. It's a nice cut. It's a nice fit. It feels good. American flag on it. Everything we need to know. So, Ty, thank you. If you guys are up there in that Pennsylvania area, check the group out. So what we doing today is we are working with the Weasel Edge Chopper here. I got this idea from my buddy Connor Ward, and he edged up a while back his yard around his flower beds and everything, and I was like, oh man, I look so good, so I have to do it. So what I'm gonna start doing today is I have to get my sides looking good. My sides have been looking like crap. They don't look extra crispy. They're stupid. So I'm gonna use this. I'm gonna go around it, edge it up, and I'm gonna do the same thing I did for my front bends. Get bags, lay it down, cut around the water hose. Cut around the water sprinklers. Lay down black mulch on both sides so it'll blend in with the front there, and everything can look nice. I gotta get it ready. We're in July. We got August, and then it's really gonna start crunching. Then I got the secret weapon over there. I got the secret weapon right there for when fall rolls around. You know, I gotta. We're making it out of this hot. We're making it out of this heat. So I'm gonna show you guys how this works. So for once, let's angle it. Boop. Please don't say nothing about all my weeds here. I know. That's why I'm working on it. So let's move you up. Crap. You take the weasel chopper here, and if you want an edge, you just pop it kind of in the grass. Boom. Push it out. Trying to do a video over here.
How do you do a video without your main man?
Because you cost too much. Boom. You just kind of go around here, just like that, and then you can pull it away. And then look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Crispy. Right on around here. That's what I want. That's what I need. What I want to do is I can keep it on the curve, which I think I'm starting to like. I'm liking the curve here. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna just keep it on the curve. I was thinking about squaring it off when I got down here a little bit more, but I do think I'm gonna just kind of keep it on the curve and just shoot all the way around, and then we'll see how it goes. It's not a perfect, you know, curve, but I'm not too worried about that. Once I get it going, I can go back. If I got to put more dirt somewhere, take a little bit more off, I can, you know, but you can definitely tell the difference in the curve. And I have to go all the way down there to the end. Come all the way back here. But this is what it takes. You know, look. Yeah, exactly. So a couple things. I might have to get the drainage, get the pipe, run it down, shoot it downward somewhat. I don't know, because water still stays right here anyway. Or what I might do to try to help push the water outwards more and not be around this area is go and get like the drainage rocks, you know, clean all this up real nice, get the drainage rocks, fill this area right here at least up with drainage rocks, and then maybe do the black mulch all the way down. So we're gonna run up here to Lowe's and see what we got. All right, as we are in here going over to see if we can find the drainage rocks. I'm gonna look at a couple other things out here, possibly see what we got going on. So black drainage, how you doing there, bud? Black drainage rocks, bang. Okay, here we go. These are the drain field rocks here. This is what they're kind of like a grayish color. Great for flower beds, planters, walkways, driveways, all the good stuff. See, here we go, right here. Take a look at this here, guys. Look at these. Help with the drainage. I need to push it out. Whoa, wait a minute. Wait a minute, what do we have here? Moon, Sunnyland. All right, shout out to Lee. These the rocks right here, 938. All right, and they got white. The rocks, any bags that's open like this, they're half off. They're $3 full bags. Half off, they were $1.50. So I grabbed a couple of them, you know. Can't be mad about $1.50 per bag or whatnot. Make sure I got the bags just open. That's mostly filled to the top. Now, for my edging for this area, I'm going to go with the metal. I'm going to go here with the metal piece. And what they have here on the end is the right here. It's a stake, so the stakes is already in here. You just got to break them off, lock them in, and keep going. So, so this might be a two-step, a part 1 and part 2 video. I'm pretty sure it is. So what's going to happen is tune in next week on another episode of Line Time Coming and see how this crazy thing unfolds. My next step will be level this section out, build it up, get the rocks and everything down, and then we can take it on down with the rest. Until next time, this has been another episode of Line Time Coming, and I am your dirty and muddy and crazy and have no idea what I'm doing host, B. Davis. Whew. See you guys next week.